Very interesting table we did a while ago. A table which was in a YouTube I did that fill in the magic number 1820, Bible code. Very famous this number. We also showed a lot of this number, a lot behind. And what you have here is very interesting. Appearance of the word in black, you can see Tefilin. That Tefilin. I want to understand that the appearance of Tefilin, in fact you can see it clearly, but if you have that program you can see 1820 from letter to letter. So in the Torah, the appearance of the word Tefilin appears four times only. One is 51, which might be also significant, number 50. And the second one is this one, and then other three. So if one will think logically, what can be the chances that from 1820 in numbers, so this comes the second one, second minimum. Interesting. So no doubt it's far away from being coincidence. Now what is interesting is the verses which are surrounded. So the verse here says like following: Shmor lecha et asher Elohim tzavcha hayom. Keep and guard what I command you today. I want you to Torah, to mitzvahs. Then what will be the result? ויגרש מפניך את האמורי והכנעני, will chase away from you the Amorite and the Canaanite. Yeah, those are the 7 nations in Israel, you know. Amazing. In fact, this is exactly what the Tefilin supposed to do according to our rabbis. Our rabbis tell us that the Tefilin, if you look, you have Tefilin, you can see letters in that Tefilin of the head. You have the shin, then there is a Dalet, the note of the hand, and then you have the letter Yud, which is the name of God, Shakai, which is the mezuzah. This name is very forceful, and according to rabbis, can chase away our enemies, but definitely if we keep it properly. Yeah, amazing. So exactly here in the Torah comes this verse which tells us, keep it, the mitzvot. Our rabbis tell us that the holiness and sanctity of Tefillin is like all the commandments together. Unbelievable. Then what is it? Then we are told that Moses, right, did like what God commanded to do. Amazing. So this is the appearance of Tefillin. Now what is interesting, that the verses in this section, by the way, all come in a book of Bet. Bet is Exodus, yeah, and the verses are very interesting. It's written about when God gave the Torah on Sinai. So in the honor of God dwell on the mountains, and according to our rabbis, that feel have this power, yeah, of holiness, to bring the honor of God, the Shekhinah, divinity, on man. Then you have here, very interesting, a verse which tells us, Ki bechozek yad aseh Hashem etchem, that God took us from Egypt with strength. And this is exactly what that film is supposed to remind us. Then we have here also the prophecies and merit of keeping the Torah and Tefillin and all these mitzvot. God brought us, yeah, through the, the story that He brought us to Israel, and the promise is that God will help us to build the temple. Interesting that the temple also, according to Kabbalah, correspond to that Tefillin. Then, in the merit of Tefillin, we'll have son of Jesse, you see in red, son of Jesse. So altogether, very, very interesting phenomena on having this Tefilin, the Tefilin in 1820 and 1820, a lot about it. 1820 represents the power of God, the sanctity of God, as we brought, very famous, that 1820 is the multiplication of the name of God, of mercy, which is 26, and represent the Torah, 70 aspects of the Torah, and 70 number which represent secrets and many important ideas by the 70. So 70 times 26 also come to this. Then you have the power of God, power in Hebrew is strength, and Adnut, master, the name of God represents mastership, Adnut, which come also to 1820, is the basis really of the Torah. So interesting, there is a whole site about this number. If you put in the internet 1820.com, you will see how much behind this number. But what is important is this here, the importance of Tefilin, as we said, the power to chase away our enemies and definitely to bring Messiah, son of Jesse, happiness and joy in Israel and the whole world.